I know you're tired. Tired of tabs, tutorials, that feeling that everyone's sprinting while you're stuck at a jog. Here's the truth. You don't need more noise. You need depth. Today, I want you to choose a different path. Not the copy-paste quick win. Think, then code. Because coding isn't about memorizing syntax or hoarding frameworks. It's about understanding. It's sitting with a problem long enough to feel it, naming it, breaking it into smaller questions, and then shaping a solution one deliberate step at a time. I'm going to say something that might save you a year. Don't try to learn every language. Pick one, commit for 12 months. Breathe it, build with it, break with it, fix with it. You'll grow farther, faster, deeper than juggling 5 half-finished pathways ever could. Mastery doesn't come from collecting shiny tools. It comes from seeing the same tool in 100 different lights. You'll start recognizing patterns, inputs and outputs, state, data flow, edges that fail, edges that sing. And you'll start trusting yourself. When you hit a wall, and you will, don't reach for a solution to paste. Reach for the problem. Decompose it. What are the inputs? What does success look like? What's the smallest version of this that works? Build that tiny slice. Make it run. Then add one more slice. Optimization? Clean code? They matter. But not before you have something that works. First, make it correct. Then, make it clear. Finally, if you need to, make it fast. That order protects your momentum and your mind. AI tools? Use them. Absolutely. But use them like a microscope, not a crutch. Ask why, not just what. Read the code it suggests. Rewrite it in your own words. Trace it with print statements, break it on purpose, and then fix it. Let AI accelerate your learning, not replace it. Because the skill isn't typing code, it's thinking in systems. And here's the part most people skip: build your own projects, not another tutorial clone. Your thing, a habit tracker that actually fits your day, a budgeting tool your friend will use, a game your sibling can't put down. Ship small, ship ugly, ship often. Every shipped project is a rep in the gym of problem solving. Consistency beats intensity. 20 focused minutes every day will carry you farther than a 7-hour Sunday binge. Stack your days. Keep a learning log. Today I learned X. Tomorrow I'll try Y. Watch how the pages accumulate. That's progress you can touch. There will be days you feel behind. You'll watch highlight reels and think, I'll never be there. But you're not racing strangers, you're rehearsing mastery. Craft is quiet. Growth is slow until it isn't. Then one day, a problem that used to terrify you will feel simple. That day won't be luck. It'll be receipts from 1,000 small choices. So here's your plan. Choose one language. Commit for a year. Solve problems end-to-end before polishing. Use AI to learn, not to skip learning. Build your own projects. Small, real, shipped. Show up daily, even when it's messy, especially then. Trust the process. You are not late. You are not behind. You are building a mind that can hold complexity and find clarity. And that, more than any framework, will make you dangerous in the best way. Think, then code. I believe in you. Now, let's get back to work.